curious explorer, discovering wonders in the backyard. In a little neighborhood, there was a girl named Emma. She loved exploring her backyard and finding amazing things. Emma knew that even small creatures and details held special secrets. One sunny day, Emma grabbed her magnifying glass and a small journal. She was ready to explore her backyard and see what she could find. First, Emma saw some ants marching in a line. She watched how they worked together and wrote about it in her journal. It was incredible to see how they all had a job to do. As Emma went further, she spotted squirrels playing in the trees. They jumped from branch to branch with their fluffy tails. Emma drew pictures of their funny moves and wrote down how they found their hidden nuts. Then, she discovered butterflies near colorful flowers. Emma loved their pretty wings and how they flew gracefully. She drew pictures of them and learned about their amazing change from caterpillar to butterfly. Next, Emma found a pond with tadpoles turning into frogs. She listened to the frogs croak and watched them jump. Emma thought about how they grew and helped the environment. Emma also found spider webs that spiders made. She saw how they used silk to create their amazing designs. She was amazed at their skill and made sure to be gentle around them. Days turned into weeks, and Emma found even more things in her backyard. She saw ladybugs, beetles, and different birds. She watched plants grow and make new seeds. Emma loved her backyard adventures so much that she wanted to share them with others. She invited friends and neighbors on a nature walk. She showed them her sketches and told them about the amazing things she had found. They were amazed too. Emma's love for nature grew even more. She realized that even in her own backyard, there was so much to explore. Her curiosity inspired others to appreciate the little wonders around them. And so, Emma's backyard expedition showed everyone that there is magic and beauty in even the smallest places. By being curious and observant, we can discover the wonders of nature right outside our doors. The end.